Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see another delicious fish recipe, and it's Bhetki fish cooked with poppy and mustard seeds. So let's get started with this interesting recipe. And here I have taken 4 Bhetki steaks, and now we will season them with some salt as per taste, some turmeric or haldi powder, and the juice of half a lemon. We'll now rub the salt and turmeric powder well over both the sides of the bhetki fish pieces. And we will let them rest for about 15 minutes. Next, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds or sarso or sorse, and 1.5 tablespoons of poppy seeds or posto dana, and I have soaked them in warm water for half an hour. This will help to grind the seeds easily into a smooth paste. We'll now transfer both these seeds into a mixer grinder. I've added the poppy seeds along with the water. Along with poppy and mustard seeds goes 1 inch of ginger cut into thin slices like this, 2 green chilies or as per your spice level, and around 1.5 tablespoon of creamy yogurt or dahi. And now we will grind this into a very smooth paste. Let's check this now. And our smooth and creamy poppy and mustard paste is ready to make the fish gravy. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat some mustard oil in our kadhai, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the fish pieces. After a few seconds we will flip the fish pieces and fry till the other side also turn golden brown in color. And by now our bhetki steaks are fried golden brown from both the sides. So I'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And in the same way I will fry the remaining fish pieces also. And now in the same kadhai I will add 2 tablespoons of onion, ginger, garlic paste. On medium flame we will saute this well until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away. And once the paste has been fried well, we will add into this some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. We don't need to add any other spices in this fish recipe. For spiciness, I have already added 2 green chillies while making the poppy and mustard seed paste. And now on low flame, we will saute the spices well along with the paste. I'll add now a splash of water and cook the spices and the paste for another 1 to 2 minutes until oil starts to separate. And at this stage we will add the poppy and mustard seed paste. We'll now mix this well for a minute or so that they are well combined with the onion, ginger, garlic paste and the spices. So by now the paste has been well sauteed. I'll add now some water from the mixie jar where I had made the poppy and mustard seeds paste. We'll mix this well. And as the gravy starts to boil, we will add the bhetki steaks into the gravy. And friends, this fish gravy is my all-time favorite and is so good to enjoy with some hot steamed rice. Alright, and now we will cover and let the fish simmer in the gravy for about 5 to 6 minutes on low to medium flame. It's 6 minutes by now and our bhetki fish is almost ready. The consistency of the gravy is just perfect. I will check for the salt proportion once. All the flavors are well balanced, and before turning off the flame, I will add some chopped dhania or coriander leaves and 1 green chilli slit into half. That's it. Our bhetki fish cooked with poppy and mustard seeds is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this delicious bhetki fish recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.